Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you month of November's 2020's monthly forecast based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on moon sign. But you can watch this particular monthly forecast according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign as well. You can take this whole prediction according to your moon sign as well as according to your ascendant, according to your rising sign. This prediction have no relevance whatsoever with sun sign prediction. So kindly take this prediction according to your moon sign or according to your ascendant sign or according to your rising sign. For all of you, based on Indian Vedic astrology, based on all, so the whole project is based on Indian Vedic astrology, all the task, precaution, chantings, all the information. Going to talk about Cancer for this particular month. Cancerian, transit of Venus for Cancerian in the month of November in 3rd house. 23rd October 2020 till 17th November, the transit of Venus for Cancerian in 3rd house. When the Venus in 3rd house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 3rd house from your moon sign. Transit of Venus in 3rd house from your moon sign. When the Venus transit in 3rd house from your moon sign, this donate happiness, contentment for you. When the transit of Venus in 3rd house from your moon sign, you may expect an upward move in your financial condition, giving you financial security. When the transit of moon in 3rd house from your moon sign, you could also professionally very good period for you. You may expect a rise in position. You also gain in authority. When the transit of moon in 3rd house from your moon sign, your ventures are likely to earn more profit as well. Socially, this should be a good timing for you. You're also likely to be overcoming all your fears and worries. Your colleagues and acquaintances would be cooperative and helpful toward you. When the Venus is transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign, you're also likely to be widening your circle of friends and win over your enemies. During this phase of time, your rapport with your own immediate family would be coordinated properly, and with your sibling, you also likely to enjoy good timing with them. Moreover, when the Venus is transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign, you also indulge in good lifestyle, luxuries. Your interest toward religion would be rising, and auspicious happening may cheer you up as well. Health is likely to be good shape. If you're eligible bachelor, you're also finding a very particular partner, companion. They seem to be good timing with you to find a perfect match with yourself. Some of you are also expecting a new member of the family, and this particular period may not bring any good time period for you. Some of you are also susceptible to face loss in trade and business and finance. Your enemies may create a problem for you during this phase of time. Stay away from all kind of arguments, misunderstanding when the Venus transiting in 3rd house from your moon sign. Transit of Sun in 5th house, 16th November till 15th December. When the Sun is transiting in 5th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 5th house from your moon sign. This particular time when the Sun is transiting 5th house from your moon sign, this mostly donate a period of financial challenges, complication, and decline in peace of mind. On the home work front, you have to extra care not to get into bad books of your seniors. When the Sun is transit 5th house from moon sign, avoid any argument with your employer or senior staff at workplace. You have to deal with some obstacle which would be related to competitor authorities, people you have unfriendly relationship with. If you express your mental anxiety, you're likely to lose goodwill amongst the friends and family. Health would require attention. You feel sick and lethargic. Mental anguish, fear and restlessness may cast their spell on you, make you prone to offend by others. You also become unstable in your temperament. Issue related to family members become more matter of concern. Avoid discussing anything at this time. You're likely to cause disagreement between you and the family. Transit of Venus in 4th house, 17th November till 11th of December. When the Venus is transiting in 4th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 4th house from your moon sign. When the Venus transit in 4th house from your moon sign, do this phase when the Venus transit in 4th house from your moon sign, this particular phase donating financial growth for you. You could also expect a rise in prosperity. If you're a landowner, if you're dealing with agriculture, if you're a fashion designer, if you own a boutique, if you own a wedding venue, this could be proving to be finest time, bringing you more profit in your professional career or in your professional domain. If you own a boutique, if you're a fashion designer, if you're a professional artist or commercial artist, this is a rising time for you. With the Venus is transiting in 4th house from your moon sign. At home, you're likely to spend quality time with your family member and spouse, discussing the matter of importance, and you'll also be able to enjoy good lifestyle, luxurious lifestyle. The social aspect of your life would be full of happening and happy. Your popularity would be rising. You're most likely to acquire new friends. The companionship with new friends, old friend, would give you much happiness. You may even consider staying away from home to having a fun, quality time like holidays. This particular period also likely to see you enjoying companionship. Health should remain be fine and you would be more energetic than ever. Acquisition of material comfort could also becoming a more priority for you during this phase of time. With the help of task precaution chanting, you must sort out yourself. You must sort out your Rahu. Rahu can create a lot of legal problems for you. Authorities can penalize you. Authorities can challenge you. And look after your health and well-being. And Jupiter. Jupiter positions, you got to sort it out for your best. If you have a knowledgeability skill set and you want to be recognized, you got to sort out your Jupiter. This is very, very important. Ketu. Ketu is quite important. You got to look after your health. Anything to do with lower abdomen. If you want to be recognized by a professional authority, Ketu need to be sorted out properly. For the prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, debts, flow of income issues, professional backing, relationship happiness, harmony, health. You must sort out these planets, Rahu, Jupiter and Ketu, these three. If you go to the website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the full monthly horoscope report and implement the whole monthly horoscope report, everything is given there. Achieve your best and best of luck. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign monthly horoscope report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.